Let's review installation of MATLAB onto your home computer. I'm going to open a web browser here. Go to mathworks.com. Sign in by clicking this little portrait symbol. Make sure you use your UNM email address. UNM has a site license, so all MATLAB products are free. I'm going to choose the MATLAB individual license option here. And it shows me a list of products that I'm eligible for. You won't need all of these, but I often find it simpler to install everything rather than trying to figure out what I needed later. Click the download button. And the latest release is 2020A. So I'm going to select that. And I'm on a Windows computer at the moment, so I'll choose the Windows option. And you can see it is downloading the MATLAB 2020A installation program. Now, this is 217 megabytes. It's not the whole of MATLAB, it's just the program you use to install MATLAB. The whole of MATLAB is many gigabytes. All right, the download is complete, and I can click on it to begin the installation. It's decompressing the program right now. Once unzipping is finished, it prompts me for my admin password. If you're already logged into an account with administrative privileges on your computer, it may just pop up a confirmation dialog. In my case, I need to enter this information. MATLAB wants to access the network, so I have to, on Windows, confirm that it's going to open a port on the firewall so we can communicate with the network. It's prompting me to log in with my MathWorks account again. I don't use the same password for my MathWorks account as I do for my UNM account. So make sure you use your MathWorks password here, even though you're using your UNM email address. I'm going to use the individual license option again. And it asks me to specify which user on Windows is going to use MATLAB. So that's me. This will be the name of whatever account you log into Windows with. If you're not sure what that is, you can go to your account info, and it displays right here your username. So in my case, it's Matthew. So I'm going to enable this for Matthew. It asks me to select an installation directory. This is fine. And then I can select what products I want to install. So in my case, I use quite a few different products in MATLAB, so I'm going to select all. You probably don't have to do that. Just selecting MATLAB, perhaps Simulink, is sufficient. And now I can begin the installation. And installation is complete. So I can close the wizard. And I should be able to just type MATLAB here. MATLAB 2020A is what we just installed. And I'm now at my main MATLAB screen. And I can do all the fancy MATLAB things. All right, that's the end of this segment. If you have any problems following this installation, please feel free to ask questions during our Wednesday interactive Zoom lecture. Until then, stay healthy, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.